Welcome to Bike Plus, where we explore the most powerful machines on Earth, whether they dominate roads, oceans, or the skies. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced and feared fighter jets ever created, the 2025 F-22 Raptor. This is not just another aircraft, it's a symbol of aerial dominance, cutting-edge stealth technology, and unrivaled air superiority. From its raw power to its next-generation upgrades, the 2025 version of the F-22 continues to push the boundaries of military aviation. The legacy of the F-22 Raptor. The original F-22 Raptor, introduced by Lockheed Martin in the mid-2000s, was a revolution in the skies. Designed primarily for the U.S. Air Force, it combined stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness like no other jet before it. Its ability to strike before being detected made it a nightmare for adversaries. For years, it remained unmatched, and while newer jets have entered the scene, the F-22 has continued to evolve. The 2025 model represents the culmination of decades of refinement, technology integration, and combat readiness improvements, ensuring the Raptor remains a lethal force well into the future. Design evolution and aerodynamics. The 2025 F-22 keeps the iconic angular stealth design, but subtle refinements have been made to reduce radar cross-section even further. New radar-absorbent materials have been developed, offering enhanced stealth performance across a wider range of frequencies. The wing and tail geometry have been slightly adjusted for better supersonic stability and lower drag at high altitudes. The jet still features thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing for extreme maneuverability that most fighters can't match. Whether it's executing tight dogfight turns or evading missile locks, the F-22's aerodynamics are a masterpiece of military engineering. Stealth upgrades, staying invisible. One of the Raptor's deadliest weapons is not something it fires. It's its ability to remain unseen. The 2025 model incorporates next-generation stealth coatings with self-healing properties. Tiny microcapsules embedded in the coating release sealant when the surface is scratched or damaged, maintaining radar invisibility without constant maintenance. Infrared signature suppression has also been improved. The jet's exhaust system now disperses heat more effectively, making it harder for heat-seeking missiles to detect and track. This, combined with electronic warfare countermeasures, gives the Raptor an almost ghost-like presence in enemy airspace. Engines and performance. Powering the 2025 F-22 are upgraded Pratt & Whitney F119 PW100 turbofan engines. These have been fine-tuned for greater fuel efficiency and extended range without sacrificing thrust. The Raptor still cruises at supercruise speeds, meaning it can fly supersonic without using afterburners, giving it a huge advantage in speed and stealth simultaneously. Maximum speed exceeds Mach 2.25, with unmatched acceleration that allows it to dictate the terms of any engagement. In a real combat scenario, this speed advantage can mean striking first and disappearing before the enemy even knows what happened. Avionics and sensor fusion. One of the biggest advancements in the 2025 model is in sensor fusion. The jet integrates data from multiple radar, infrared, and electronic sensors into a single, crystal-clear tactical picture for the pilot. This includes AI-assisted threat detection, which can highlight targets, predict enemy movement, and even recommend attack strategies in real time. The APG-77V1 AESA radar has been upgraded with enhanced range, better jamming resistance, and the ability to detect stealth aircraft. Additionally, the jet is now fully integrated into next-generation battlefield networks, sharing real-time data with drones, ships, and ground forces for coordinated attacks. Weapons loadout. The 2025 F-22 remains a master of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. In stealth mode, it carries all weapons internally to maintain radar invisibility. The primary air-to-air weapons include the AIM-120D AMRAAM for long-range engagements and the AIM-9X Sidewinder for close-range dogfights. For precision strikes on ground targets, the jet can deploy GBU-39 small-diameter bombs or the newer JASSMER long-range standoff missiles. The internal 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon remains for close-quarters combat, ensuring that even in the heat of a dogfight, the Raptor is deadly. AI and pilot assistance systems. The 2025 Raptor features a next-gen AI co-pilot system that monitors all aircraft systems, assists in target tracking, and manages defensive countermeasures. This reduces pilot workload, allowing them to focus on tactics and mission objectives. The AI can even take temporary control of the jet in case the pilot is incapacitated, ensuring a safe return or mission completion. It's essentially having a second pilot that never tires, never gets distracted, and reacts at lightning speed. Cockpit and pilot interface. The cockpit has been upgraded with a 360-degree augmented reality helmet. This helmet projects all flight, targeting, and environmental data directly into the pilot's field of view, eliminating the need to look down at instrument panels. Voice command capabilities have been expanded, allowing pilots to perform complex functions without removing their hands from the controls. The seat design also includes enhanced G-force protection, enabling the pilot to endure extreme maneuvers without losing consciousness. Combat roles and tactical edge. The F-22's primary role remains air dominance, meaning its first job is to ensure no enemy aircraft can challenge U.S. or Allied forces in the sky. But the 2025 model expands its versatility. With advanced electronic warfare capabilities, it can jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, and even plant false signals to confuse enemy defenses. In strike missions, the Raptor can hit high-value targets deep in hostile territory before the enemy is even aware of its presence. In reconnaissance roles, its stealth allows it to gather crucial intelligence without risking detection. Global impact and strategic significance. The presence of the F-22 in any theater of conflict changes the balance of power. Adversaries know that challenging it directly is almost certain defeat. Its deployment serves not just as a combat tool, but as a powerful deterrent and unspoken warning that the skies are under watch. In 2025, with increasing geopolitical tensions and the rise of new aerial threats, the Raptor remains a cornerstone of U.S. air power, ensuring control over both the battlefront and the broader strategic picture. Maintenance and longevity. One of the biggest challenges with older stealth aircraft has been maintenance. The 2025 model addresses this with modular components that can be replaced quickly and stealth coatings that require far less upkeep. Predictive AI maintenance systems monitor every flight, identifying potential issues before they cause problems. This not only keeps the jet in the air more often but also extends its operational life, ensuring that it remains a frontline fighter well into the 2040s. The future of the F-22 program. While new programs like the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) fighter are in development, the 2025 F-22 ensures that the Raptor will remain relevant for years. Continuous software updates, hardware upgrades, and integration with unmanned systems will keep it at the top of its game. Some analysts even predict a loyal wingman drone specifically designed to operate alongside the F-22, extending its reach and combat capability even further. Conclusion: the sky's apex predator. The 2025 F-22 Raptor is more than just a fighter jet, it's the embodiment of air dominance. With unmatched stealth, speed, agility, and intelligence, it remains the apex predator of the skies. Whether in a defensive patrol or an offensive strike, the Raptor is built to win, and in 2025, it's sharper than ever. From the engineers who designed it to the pilots who fly it, the F-22 represents the very peak of human innovation in aerial combat. And as long as it rules the skies, the balance of power remains firmly in the hands of those who control the Raptor.